Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about a new plan that Cricket Wireless has just released. So this is, I believe, a plan that is limited time offer only, and it's also a good way to kind of help people get connected and stay connected with their loved ones during this time with, the whole COVID-19 or coronavirus. So I don't know how long this plan will last, but we'll get more into it as you go through Cricket Wireless's website, officially a website. You scroll down a little bit and here it is. It says stay connected for less. Get 2 gigabytes of high-speed data plus unlimited talk and text for only $15 a month. This is probably the cheapest and best plan that Cricket has released, and I believe Metro is doing the same thing. But for $15 a month, the most important thing is going to be more for the unlimited talk and text, and of course 2 gigs of high-speed data, which should be enough for a lot of people. This plan is very good for older people or just maybe kids that are just starting, and maybe their parents don't want to give them a lot of data, or maybe they have Wi-Fi at home or at work. This plan will be perfect for me. Like I said, I have Wi-Fi at home and at work, so 2 gigabytes for $15 a month is a steal, guys. I would definitely jump on this plan, but I don't know. I enjoy my unlimited data. But like I said, if you have an older relative or somebody like that, or maybe just a young kid, and you want to plan for them, this is something that you can pick up for them. So let's go ahead and click Learn More. As you can see, here's all the plans and everything like that. Let me just go back here so you guys can see where I was talking about. So it does say limited time, price subject to change, and see other details and all that stuff. But as you can see, there's more details on that if you want to look at it. So it says one-time fee $4 customer assistance may apply. See cricketwireless.com/fees for details. Not eligible for auto pay or multi-line discounts. So if you do auto pay, you will not get a discount of $15 a month plus sales tax. Basically, it's going to be the cheapest you're going to get it. Mobile hotspot not available, so you will not be able to get a mobile hotspot on this plan at all. Those 2 gigabytes are just for your phone. Terms and restrictions apply. Price and availability, terms and data usage, and speeds and other restrictions subject to change without notice. So anytime this plan can change, they can get rid of this 2 gigabyte $15 a month plan for all we know, guys. It's pretty cheap for them. So in 2 months, let's say they just get rid of it and they just say, hey, we're getting rid of this plan. You're either going to get grandfathered into it, or does the plan's going to go up? So it really depends. But I think it's a smart idea for them to keep it. But like I said, they might be losing money if they do it this way. Just, depends, because, companies do want to earn a lot more money than just that. Also, another quick thing, they are temporary. This was not here about 3 days ago. They are temporarily giving you a bonus 10 gigabytes of data with select plans, which is pretty cool. After that, they will remove those 10 gigs after about 2 billing cycles. So just a quick thing there. But here's all the plans that Cricket Wireless offers. Like I said, we're going to be focusing on this 2 gigabyte limited time offer. Even says right there, usually for 2 gigabytes it's $30. So right now it's half off. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this is because of the whole coronavirus thing. So probably after 60 days they'll get rid of this plan, or maybe they'll grandfather into it. I don't know exactly. But that's pretty good. I mean, it was $30 for 2 gigs, or 40 for 5, or 55 for unlimited, or 60 for unlimited plus mobile hotspot. So there it is. As you can see, it's 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot plus a temporary extra 10 gigabytes. So, but this is what we're talking about today, is the 2 gigabyte of high-speed data. So right there, fine print. You always want to look at the fine print. It says price subject to change, speeds up to 4G LTE, reduced to 128 kilobits per second. That is basically unusable, guys. So once you run out of that 4G LTE or that 2 gigs allotment, you will get slowed down. You will still have internet, it just will go very, very slow. So just keep that in mind. This is download speed max at 8 megabits per second down, which is pretty good. That's on LTE. 4 megabits per second down on 4G. So it says not eligible for auto pay or multi-line discounts. So that's funny. It says what our lawyers say. This is more information here. It says stream more. So it says, here's another thing here with stream more too. It says all data plans except the Cricket Core plan and Cricket More plan come with Stream More, a feature which helps you save data when watching videos by streaming certain high definition videos at standard definition quality. similar to HD. So basically, once you get this plan, it's trying to save you your data. That way you don't burn through it as quick. It will be subject to 480p video only. Cricut will activate stream more for you. Once activated, you may turn it off or back on anytime. To learn when Cricut will turn on stream more, you can view this important information there. So you can turn it off or keep it on. Very cool. So yes, guys, that is a quick video just letting you guys know that Cricut Wireless does have this plan and it's crazy cheap. So why not go ahead and get it if you have Cricut Wireless, or at least during these times of, you know, people not having as much money because you might be, you know, unemployed or this and that, or just money's a little tight right now. This is a good plan to get or switch. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off, and like I said, shout out to Cricut. Hopefully a lot more other carriers are doing the same thing to help everybody out during these times. So thank you, guys.